If you need to change your phone number on Peacock, follow these simple steps to update your account information. This process will ensure that your contact details are current and that you can receive important notifications. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app on your device or visit the Peacock website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select profile information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Profile or Account Information. Click on this to access your personal details. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section that displays your current phone number. Click on the Edit option next to it, enter your new phone number, and ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new phone number is saved to your account. Now your phone number on Peacock is updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Peacock's customer support for further assistance.